The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is finally making waves in the smartphone world, bringing Samsung's flagship experience at a more affordable price. If you've been waiting for a premium Samsung phone without breaking the bank, the S25 FE could be the perfect option. In this video, we'll cover the full specifications, design, performance, camera setup, battery life, charging details, price leaks, and the expected launch timeline of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. The Galaxy S25 FE continues Samsung's sleek design language, inspired by the S25 flagship series. It features a 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with FHD+ resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and up to 1800 nits peak brightness. This ensures vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and smooth visuals whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through social media. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 FE is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy in select regions, while others may get the Exynos 2500. Both chipsets are built on efficient 3nm architecture, promising better performance and improved power efficiency. With configurations up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, multitasking, gaming, and everyday use will be buttery smooth. Samsung is equipping the S25 FE with a triple rear camera system, 50MP main sensor with OIS for sharp and stable photos, 12MP ultra-wide lens for capturing more in a single frame, 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for detailed shots, 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for detailed shots. On the front, you get a 32MP selfie camera, enhanced by Samsung's AI optimization for crystal clear photos and smooth video calls. Powering the device is a 5000 mAh battery, designed to last a full day of heavy use. The S25 FE supports 45W wired fast charging, which can juice up the phone from 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes. Additionally, you'll get 15W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for topping up accessories like Galaxy Buds or a smartwatch. The Galaxy S25 FE will run Android 15 with One UI 7.0 out of the box, offering smoother animations, better customization, and Samsung's promised 7 years of updates. Expect flagship features like Samsung Knox security, DuX mode, IP68 water and dust resistance, and stereo speakers tuned by AKG with Dolby Atmos. According to leaks, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE price will start around $599 in the US, 49,999 Indian rupees in India, and around PKR 165,000 in Pakistan. Samsung is expected to officially launch the S25 FE in December 2025, just before the holiday season, making it a strong competitor in the premium mid-range category. The Galaxy S25 FE is shaping up to be one of the most exciting affordable flagships of 2025, offering a flagship-level display, strong performance, versatile cameras, and premium design, all at a more accessible price. So, what do you think about the Galaxy S25 FE? Is this the Samsung phone you've been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech updates, leaks, and reviews.